Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a 12V battery in a Toyota Prius. Park safely, engage park, turn off accessories, and open the hood. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, using a 10mm wrench. Remove the battery hold-down clamp and lift the battery straight out. Install the new battery, reconnect positive then negative, secure the clamp, and recycle the old battery properly. Have rags and a container ready to catch any drips and protect painted surfaces. Loosen cable nuts with a 10mm wrench, starting with the negative terminal, then the positive. Remove the hold-down clamp bolts and note bracket orientation for reinstallation. Handle the battery by the sides and avoid tipping it to prevent spills. Place the old battery in a sturdy box for safe transport to a recycling center. Before installing, clean terminals and cable ends to ensure good contact and reduce corrosion. Set the new battery into the tray and secure the hold-down clamp snugly, but not over-tightened. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and torque nuts to specification if available. Start the Prius and verify dash lights, radio settings, and power windows work. Reset any saved settings and check for warning lights on the dash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.